I'm going to explain how to install SDK. Please run the Apple setup file in the setup folder. If the user account control Windows appears, click the Yes button to go next. And after that, click the Install button. Then you can choose the folder to install the SDK in the install directory. In the install item select, you can choose to install only the necessary item. And when you choose what you want to install, click the OK button to go next. Then installation is proceeded and finished. If a warning message appears during the installation stating that the driver cannot be installed due to the language compatibility, you need to install the driver manually. And we could bring the warning message screenshot in this video, but when you see that, click OK and follow next guide to install driver manually. And I'm going to tell you how to install the driver manually. First of all, go to Device Manager. And you need to find item here named other PCI bridge device. Let's see where it is. Here is not. This is not one. If you cannot find it like me, just right click on the PC name and click scan for hardware change. Then here it is. Another PCI bridge device. Right click and select update driver. And click the second option, browse my computers for drivers. And choose it from here by click browse button to select the folder where the driver is stored. Now, I have saved the installation file on the desktop. So please select the folder like me and where the SDK and driver you want to install are stored. Normally it was under setup folder and SDK and the driver. Select OK button. It's all done. And please check to include the subfolders and go to next. Then you'll see the message Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then it's all set.